I'm going to be talking to you about beauty trends and fashion trends that you definitely need this spring of 2022. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So you guys know I'm all about beauty and fashion and everything in between. So I'm going to go right into the trends that you definitely need to have in your back pocket to just rock all your beauty and fashion pieces this spring. So the first thing that you definitely need this spring and summer, let's not forget about summer, is a bold lip color. I love bold lip colors this time of the year because they just speak about your personality. You know, they just make you feel good and vibrant and just ready to go out in the sun and just have a good time. So the first lip color that I'm going to show you guys is called Lady Danger by MAC. It's like an orange red lip color. Looks like this. And every time I apply this lip color, I like to put a dark concealer underneath my lips just so I can balance the color out, just because this is just too bold for my lips, and yeah, we do not want to look funny. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a concealer on before I can apply the lipstick. Just put enough to be able to coat my lips. And I mean, you don't really have to put a dark concealer to balance the colors out. If you want to go super bold and be out there, please go for it. I just like to have a very, I don't know, I just like it to look natural, you know? You guys see how spicy and fiery this color is? Oh my God. It is everything. Yeah, bold lip colors are definitely a must. I mean, if you are not the kind of girl that loves to put on bold lip colors, or you're not the kind of person that likes flashy and vibrant colors anyways, or things, that's fine. I mean, you can still rock your nudes, it's okay. So I'm just talking to the girls that love vibrance, that love color. You definitely need to rock a bold lip color in the springtime. I mean, why not? Okay, the next thing that you guys should definitely rock during the springtime, and I think this is something you need to rock every season all year round, is gold accents. I am so obsessed with having gold accents to accessorize every time I wear something. As you can tell, I love very dainty earrings, and then sometimes I go a little bit bold with the hoops. So these are hoops from a brand called Lvly. I did a collab with them. So I got these from them, and this necklace is from, where is it from? Oh, this company called Lvly. I found them on Instagram. They have amazing pieces. So I get all my gold accents from either Lvly, mostly the earrings, and then I get my necklaces. I also have bracelets from that company, Lvly. I think it's a British brand. Look at these bracelets. I mean, just having gold accents to accessorize your outfits just makes you look that more elegant. You know, you just look more sophisticated and just classy. I don't know, there's just something about gold that it just pops. And on our dark skin girls, it just pops even more, you know? So definitely have some gold accents in your closet to accessorize with your outfit. Next beauty item that is trendy that you need to rock this spring is colored eyeliner. I did a video last year on different styles of colored eyeliner that you can rock. So I'll link that down below so you can check it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and just show you some of my favorite colored eyeliners and where I got them from, just because they're amazing. The first one is by NYX, or NYX, and this is called NYX Vivid Brights colored eyeliner. This is in the shade, does it have a shade name? Vivid Hello. I think that's the name of the shade. That's what it says. But it's a yellow, bright, vibrant shade, and I love using this especially during the spring and summer months. It's just that extra color that you can put on to just make you look vibrant, look flashy, and yeah, fun. So this is that. Next colored liner that I have is from ColourPop. I actually have, I think, 3 different shades from ColourPop, and they look like this. This one is more easier to apply because it's in a pencil form, so it's easy for you to draw the line that you want, versus the NYX one where you have to use this. So this applicator, you need to be more careful, you know, when applying it. And I'm going to show you guys how you can apply this in a sec. Another colored liner that I use, this is actually more on the glittery side, is from Fenty Beauty. And this is from, gosh, what was the name of this collection? I know this collection. Oh my God, this is the liner I was rocking in my last video. So that makeup look I had and that liner I had, this is the eyeliner that I used. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to use one of these. I'm gonna use the pink one from ColourPop. Just gonna come closer for you guys. I purposely did a neutral eyeshadow look so I could demonstrate how to use these. So let's just go for it. I like to shake it a little bit like that. So this is usually one of my favorite styles of liners that I do. Now, I like to follow, do you guys see the crease of the eye? I like to follow it, like right here. I like to follow that, but because I'm wearing lashes that are just too long, I'm just gonna go a little bit higher than I normally would. So I'm just gonna start off right here and lift my eye and just, ooh, I kind of messed that up. Just do something like that, you know? It's easier to apply these when you don't have lashes on, but you guys get the gist. Something like this is just elegant, you know? Just see how the pink liner and the bright orange lip color just have this perfect marriage. It's such an easy makeup look to rock. Also, if you're not makeup savvy like some people, you could just always rely on these colored liners just because they're easy to throw on and just put in a bold lip color and then bam, you look like you work at MAC. Now we're going back to fashion. Another item that you definitely need to have this spring that's extremely trendy, I feel like this trend has been going on forever, is tiny little mini purses. I love mini purses just because just something about them. You don't have to worry about holding a heavy bulky bag. I do that all the time with my diaper bag, so sometimes it's just nice to rest that big bulky bag and just carry just a small tiny bag. Look at how elegant this bag looks. It looks so classy and just expensive, you know. It just looks like money, but it's really not. You know, this bag was under $100 from this brand called JWPEI. I did a video on this brand and their bags, so I'll link it down below as well. But these two bags are from there, and I just love this brand. Their bags are just amazing. They really are. The quality is just out of this world. Amazing quality, very affordable prices. They just have amazing quality bags, and I just love them. These are 2 out of 3 of the bags that I have from them, and I also have tiny bags from different brands, but these are my favorites, so that's why I wanted to show them to you guys. Yeah, this is another trend that you want to rock this spring. Finally, I want to talk to you about a beauty trend that is killing it in the makeup world, and that is natural looking brows. Yes, you guys have noticed that I've changed my brow routine, and I did a video actually. I think I did a video. Yes, I think. My brain right now is just taking front row in everything today, but I think I did a video on how I achieve these natural brows. I will link it down below. If I did not, then I will do one, but let me just look at these brows, okay? I just love how they just look natural, you know? And they're easy to put on. You don't need a lot of products to put these brows together. All the products that I use for these brows are from Anastasia Beverly Hills, just extremely easy. So basically what you use is a brow freezing gel, and you just put that on, and you have this applicator that you can get from Anastasia as well, and just brush those brows out with that applicator. And then, so the applicator has a spoolie brush. You use the spoolie to scoop out the product, just brush your brows have them kind of freeze up like that. Use the other side of the applicator to just pat them down, and that is it. Seriously, that's it. If you have some areas that need to fill in, then you can use a pencil, or you could use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen to fill those areas in. You don't need to use too much product, just a little bit. Just fill those in, just fluff the brows out, and then that's it. Literally, that's it. And then you clean them out with concealer, and listen, that is it. Short and sweet, straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below some beauty trends, some fashion trends that you think are going to kill it in the beauty and fashion world this summer, this spring. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I would love to hear about trends that you guys love, styles that you love that I didn't mention. Anything you want to talk about, drop it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.